So now what we're going to do is we're going to graph linear inequalities. Let's, for example, let's take y is greater than or equal to negative 3x plus 4. Okay, so it's saying that all the values of y has to be greater than this line, which is negative 3x plus 4. So if we draw this rough graph, okay, we have the slope, which is negative 3, and we have the y-intercept, which is 4. So let's graph the intercept. So let's say 4 is right here, so that's the intercept. And we have the slope, which is negative 3. So what we do is we go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the right 1. Alright, so the line is roughly going to be like this. Okay. Now the thing is, this line is a solid line because we have y is greater than or equal to. Alright, so if the line looks like this, where you have a negative slope, which is like negative 3x, if you have an equation where it's greater than, y is greater than, then what you need to do is you need to highlight everything to the left or to the right of this line, because this line is saying that the values of y have to be greater than this line, and anything that's greater is to the right of this line. Just think of this way, kind of like if you had like a number line, right? And let's say you have the point 0, right? So anything to the, think of this, anything to the right is positive, anything to the left is negative, right? So if you see this line right here, everything has to be greater than or positive, so you just highlight everything to the right. So that is probably the best way of kind of thinking about this. Alright, let's try another one. Let's try y is greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to 3/5 x, alright, minus 5. Alright, so if we draw the graph, we're going to have minus 5 for the intercept. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. Okay, and then we're going to have 3/5 for the slope. So that means that we go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we move to the right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up 3, 1, 2, 3, to the left, to the right 5, which is right here. So the line goes like this. Alright? And we have a solid line because its y is less than or equal to. So if we have an equal, then the line becomes solid. Now it's saying all the values of y have to be less than this line. So if it's less than, it has to be below this line. So we highlight everything that's below this line, because then that'll solve this or satisfy this equation right here. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try one more. Okay, so y is greater than negative x minus 5. Okay, so let's draw the rough graph. It's pretty rough, isn't it? So we go with our y-intercept first. It's minus 5, so we go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our point right there. And then we have negative x. So our slope is negative 1. So what we do is we go down 1, right? And then we go to the right 1. Alright? Now we have to be careful here, because what is the original equation? It's y is greater than negative x minus 5. So if you draw this line, you cannot include the line itself. So to draw this, what we have to do is we have to draw dashes. So when we draw the line, which is going to be kind of like like this, okay, you kind of have to draw dashes just to indicate that you don't include this line, okay? So by saying that y is greater than negative x minus 5, so again, this is a negative slope, so it's going to be every value that's going to be every value that's to the right of the line, right? Which is going to be all this stuff, or above the line, like so. And yeah, that's how you do it.